Good morning, grade 7. Our lesson today is major organ system. This lesson will cover the nervous system. Nervous system composed of two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is composed of brain, which enclosed in the skull. The nerve connects the brain to the eyes, ears, tongue, nose, and the skin of the head. The spinal cord, enclosed in the spinal columns, nerve also connected to the skin and other part of the body. As we mentioned before, brain is protected by the skull and spinal cord is protected by backbone. So the nervous system, this is the system that controls the whole body function. What is the main organ of the nervous system is brain. The brain is composed of a lot of nerves that send messages through it in the shape of electrical pulse. It's electrical pulses. It's passed through the nerves. If you remember, we have two types of nerves: sensory nerves and motor nerves. Which sensory nerve? This is the nerve that sent the message from the organ to the brain, and the brain sent the message back to the organ by the motor nerves. This orders is in a shape of messages. This message travels through the nervous system as tiny electrical signals through nerves. The brain and the spinal cord called central nervous system. The other nerves called peripheral nervous system. Cells of the nervous system, called nerve cell or neurons, are specialized to carry messages through an electrical process. So, as you see, this is the brain. It's connected to the spinal cord. It's passed through holes throughout the backbone. It passed through the vertebral column. As you see, it's connected to the all part of the body, the upper limb, the lower limb, and so on. So please go and watch this video on YouTube. The second system that we will cover today is the excretory system. This system is responsible of remove the waste product that produced in the body and collected in the blood. Then the blood filtrated in the kidney and waste product called urea and some water. The mixture of the urea and water called urine. Water and some urea also removed through the skin in the hot day in order to cool the skin in a shape of sweating. Carbon dioxide removed from blood through the lungs. So we have different way that the body can remove its waste, either through the urine or through the lungs or through the sweating. Okay, this is one of the excretory system. It's contained of these two parts, which they are called kidney and this part is called ureter, and this is the bladder, and this is the urethra. As you see, they are labeled here. So this is the urinary system. The third system today, the sensory system. Sensory system, it's using of our senses. As you know, we have different 5 senses and sensory organs that are responsible to do this sense. What are these senses? Sight, smell, hearing, tasting, and touching. Okay, what is the organ that's responsible of these senses? And we call them the sensory organ. The sensory organ of the sight is eyes, smell, nose, hearing, ears, taste, tongue, touch, the skin. The function of this system is to provide information of the surrounding. The information sent as an electrical signals message through the nervous system. The first system that we will cover today is endocrine system. This system is made up of different glands which release chemicals. These chemicals called hormones, and they excreted these hormones into the blood. Hormones also control the way people grow and develop. For example, for these hormones like insulin hormones, which regulate the blood sugar level, made by an organ located behind the stomach called pancreas. A lack of this hormone in the body led to disease called diabetes. If you have any one of your family member has diabetes, sometimes you can see they are keep taking insulin injection under their skin to keep their sugar level normal. This is another example for the hormones. These hormones is excreted by adrenal gland. They are just next to the kidneys, and these glands, they are excreted the adrenaline hormones. This hormone is responsible of stressful, exciting, dangerous, or threatening situation. This hormone is called threatening situation. So it's excreted inside your body either to fight or to flight. So releasing of this hormone, it's make your heart beat faster and make the blood pump to your muscles in a higher amount. Either if you want to fight, that means your muscles now it's ready for fighting. If you want to flight, that means your muscles make your legs ready to run. Okay? So this adrenal glands excrete adrenaline hormones. Your heart beats faster and direct more blood to your body. So adrenaline, fast fact, decrease sensitivity to pain, increase heart rate, blood flow, and alertness. Rapid effect lasts a few minutes to an hour. Dilates pupils to improve vision. Pupils of your eyes, definitely, to improve your vision. So I hope it's be clear for you and easy for you. Bye.